I'm going to show you how to make cool guitar afro beat right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godside once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribed. Alright guys, we are in the first studio now, so we're gonna start with a live guitar loop. Okay, so let me go for this live guitar loop. Alright, so we're gonna drag. Alright, then guys, to detect the tempo, we're gonna click here, then detect tempo. This sample came with tempo information embedded 105 BPM. Okay, so we're gonna hit that. Alright, so guys, let's listen to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna chop the part that we want to use. So let's select beat. Okay, and we're gonna chop this part. Okay, and bring it here. And we're gonna mute this one. Okay, so let's listen to this one alone. Alright guys, very simple. So we're gonna start adding the drums. So I'm gonna bring this part in. Okay, then let me go for the drums. Okay, I'm gonna use this kick. Very simple. Okay, let me use this. Very simple guys. Alright, let's start by adding the drums. I'm gonna start with the rim shot. Open piano roll, and we're gonna fill the bars like that. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright, alright, so guys, let's add the conga. Alright guys, so I can see the drums are really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna add shaker loop. Very simple. Subscribe to the channel if you found this video. Alright guys, so subscribe to the channel. Let's add cool shaker loop. Let's use this one. Double click, fill 2 bars. Alright, reduce the volume a little bit. Alright guys, so let's listen to them as we add the shaker loop. Okay guys, let's try and add some transitions. Okay, change this to event. Then let me add this clap. Okay, reduce the volume a little bit. Reverse this. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna chop here. Change this to beat. I'm gonna chop this. Okay guys, so let's listen. Let me reduce this. Okay, we can add more percussions. Alright, so let's copy the rim shot, then layer it with this hi-hat. Okay, Okay guys, so I'm gonna mute this and let's try use this one too and see. Let me feel some of the bass. Then we look at something here. Okay, so here this one is not going to play. Alright, so guys, let's listen to this simple arrangement. Alright guys, so let's listen to this simple arrangement. Okay guys, so this is how to make simple afro beats using guitar loop. Okay, if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. The name is Oxlade, stay the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.